Alright guys, what's up? 2017 KTM 450 EXC 6 days here. I wanted to drop you a little tip on the Trail Tech Voyager install. There's a little confusion about how to get your tack to read correctly. The instructions will tell you to wrap the tack sensor wire around the spark plug wire. You got your boot, your wire, it goes up to your coil mount on the frame. That is correct. Definitely put your wire around that spark plug wire. And then where you need to make your changes are right here on the unit itself. Go into your settings here, and I believe it's vehicle profile. And you want to go down to tack settings. And then PPR. Now from the factory you'll hit this button on PPR and you won't see that half. It'll look like this. So when you get the Trail Tech, it'll come up like this, and it won't look intuitive that there's another option above it. It'll just look like you can go down, but when actually if you go up, you can go to 1/2. So if you adjust it to 1/2, it will read correctly. Well, on all the 4 strokes, you need to go to 1/2. I'm not sure what all the others. I think maybe 1 will work on the 2 strokes. I'm not really sure what all the others are for, but like I said, it'll come up to this screen from factory, and you will hit up to see the half option. And so many people miss that, I think. So set it to there, and it will read properly. If you have it on 1, it's probably going to read around 500-600 RPMs at idle. But if you have it on 1/2, it should read correctly. Good. Thanks for watching.